regarding the condition of the person who's performing i'tikaf. Is he or she allowed to leave the confines of the mosque?
Normally, while doing i'tikaf, a person should not leave the mosque. If he leaves the mosque, he breaks the principle of i'tikaf and the i'tikaf is invalidated. But in case of emergency, if there is a need, then he can leave. For example, if a person wants to go for a call of nature, if he wants to go to relieve himself, or if he wants to do wudu, or do ghusl, or to have a bath or wash himself, or if there is no one who can get food for him in the mosque, and if he has to go to eat, he is allowed to go out to get food. So, unless it is a basic necessity, it is a need, as is mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of i'tikaf, hadith number 2029, the Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, she says, the Prophet, while doing i'tikaf, never entered the house unless it was for a need. So, if its necessity is allowed, otherwise under normal circumstances, you should not leave the mosque. And if you have to leave for a basic necessity, you have to come back fast as soon as possible. But nowadays, alhamdulillah, many mosques, or most of the mosques, they have a toilet attached to the mosque, they have a bathroom attached to it, and the wudu is inside the mosque. So, there are less requirements to go out of the mosque. And furthermore, the wife of the Prophet, Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, she said, it's mentioned in Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 2, in the book of fasting, hadith number 2467, that a person who does i'tikaf, it is the sunnah of i'tikaf that he should not visit a patient, or attend a funeral, or embrace the wife, or have relationship with the wife, and should not leave the mosque unless for a basic necessity. Here we come to know that while doing i'tikaf, it is not a sunnah, it's not allowed that you should visit a person who's sick, or visit a relative, or go out for family needs, or for earning money, or for a funeral. And except for a basic need, you should not leave the mosque.
Okay, that seems to be quite clear in terms of the basic requirements of i'tikaf.